Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, chocolate enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate shiny. That beautiful, glossy finish on professional chocolates isn't magic. It's the result of a precise technique called tempering. Tempering stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals within the chocolate, which is essential for a smooth, shiny appearance and a satisfying snap when you break it. Without it, your chocolate can look dull or streaky. So let's dive into how to achieve that perfect sheen. The seeding method is a fantastic way to temper chocolate at home. First, melt 2/3 of your chopped chocolate over a double boiler. Dark chocolate should reach 113 degrees Fahrenheit, milk chocolate 109 degrees, and white chocolate 104 degrees. Then, remove it from the heat and gradually stir in the remaining 1/3 of chopped, untempered chocolate. Continue stirring until the chocolate cools to its working temperature. 88 degrees Fahrenheit for dark, 86 for milk, and 84 for white chocolate. Beyond tempering, your molds and cooling process are crucial for shine. Always use clean, dry, and highly polished polycarbonate molds. After pouring your tempered chocolate, gently tap the molds to release any air bubbles that could mar the surface. Then, cool your chocolate slowly in a dry, cool environment, ideally between 55 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid putting it directly into a cold refrigerator or freezer, as rapid cooling can cause condensation and dull spots, ruining that beautiful shine. To maintain that perfect shine, avoid common issues like bloom. Fat bloom, a grayish film, often results from improper tempering or fluctuating temperatures. Sugar bloom, a grainy texture, is caused by moisture. Always keep your chocolate in a cool, dry place, ideally between 60 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with low humidity. Ensure all your equipment is completely dry, as even a drop of water can seize chocolate. Finally, using high-quality couverture chocolate, rich in cocoa butter, will always give you the best, most consistent shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.